To break it down further, law enforcement initially found that Kohberger's DNA was a match to DNA found on a knife sheath discovered at the scene of the murders. This discovery played a huge role in his arrest. But now we have these three separate unknown male DNA profiles. At the pretrial hearing, experts testified that these DNA samples have not yet been matched to anyone in law enforcement databases. This means, at least for now, they remain a mystery. So, what exactly did the experts say during the hearing? According to the prosecution, the three unknown male DNA samples do not belong to the victims, and they don't match Bryan Kohberger's DNA either. This detail introduces a level of uncertainty in the case because it's possible that these unknown individuals could be potential witnesses or, in a more dramatic scenario, could have been involved in the crime. But here's the twist: DNA evidence isn't always as straightforward as it seems. The defense team, for their part, may try to use this unknown DNA evidence to cast doubt on the prosecution's case. They might argue that the presence of these unidentified male DNA samples could point to other suspects, and that the presence of these unknown individuals at the crime scene doesn't necessarily link Kohberger to the murders directly. After all, DNA from other people might just be contamination or coincidental, right? So, what does this mean for the case moving forward? This revelation could potentially complicate the prosecution's case as it adds another layer of mystery. On the other hand, the fact that investigators haven't been able to match these DNA profiles to anyone, despite extensive searching, raises questions about whether these men are part of the larger story or just an unfortunate byproduct of a gruesome crime scene. The truth is, this is just one of many moving parts in a case that has more twists and turns than anyone anticipated. While the presence of three unknown male DNA samples doesn't automatically clear Kohberger, it does create a potential hole in the narrative the prosecution is trying to build. Whether it's the defense that capitalizes on this or whether investigators track down these unknown men remains to be seen. But it's clear this case is far from over. And there you have it, a breakdown of the latest development in the Bryan Kohberger case, the discovery of three unknown male DNA profiles. Stay tuned as we'll continue to cover every new development leading up to the trial. Be sure to subscribe and leave us a review if you're enjoying the show. And as always, we'll keep digging into the details and bring